If you use OneNote every day, you already know how easy it is to collect notes, ideas, meeting points, class material, and random reminders in one place. But as your notebook grows, finding the exact note you need can start to feel slow and frustrating. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to search for notes in OneNote quickly and accurately, and I'll also show you how to narrow your results when you get too many matches. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. To search for notes in OneNote, look for the magnifying glass icon at the top of your notebook list. That icon is your search tool, and it's the fastest way to find content inside your notes. Once you click it, a search box will appear where you can type whatever you're looking for. This could be a keyword, a phrase, a meeting topic, a project name, a class subject, or even part of a sentence you remember writing down. After you type your search phrase into the box, OneNote will start showing results automatically. You'll usually see a list of matching notes or pages that contain the text you entered. This is really useful because instead of manually scrolling through section after section, OneNote brings the relevant pages right in front of you. If you spot the note you want, just click any result in the list and OneNote will jump straight to that note page for you. That means you can go from a search term to the exact page in just a second. Or two. It's a huge time saver, especially if you take a lot of notes or use OneNote across multiple workspaces. Now, if you're getting too many results, don't worry, because OneNote gives you a way to control how broad your search is. Right below the search bar, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to change the scope of your search. This lets you decide how much of your notebook OneNote should look through. If you choose this page, OneNote will only look at the text on your current screen. This is great when you already know the note is open and you just want to find a specific word on that page. If you choose this section, OneNote will limit the search to the active tab or section you're currently in. This is helpful when you know the note is somewhere in the section, but you don't want results from the rest of the notebook. If you need a wider search, select this notebook. That option searches every section inside the notebook you're currently viewing, which is perfect when you know the note exists somewhere in that notebook, but you're not sure exactly where. And if you want the broadest search possible, choose All Notebooks. This scans everything across all open notebooks, which is especially useful if you keep different notebooks for work, school, planning, or personal notes. Just remember, the wider the search, the more results you may get, so choosing the right scope can make the search much more accurate. So the simple workflow is: click the magnifying glass, type your search phrase, review the results, and then click the page you want. If needed, use the drop-down arrow to filter by page, section, notebook, or all notebooks. That's really all there is to it. But once you get used to it, searching in OneNote becomes one of the most powerful ways to stay organized. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick OneNote tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.